Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to an episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today in the driveway, we have this really nice Husqvarna 128LD power head. It has the multi-attachment system, so you can take different attachments. It's missing something. As you guys know, I hate two-cycle. I've had this for quite some time, and I brokered a deal with another flipper. He's on my YouTube channel. He comments, 5SPEED Ash. Known each other actually for quite some time. Good guy. He loves two-cycle. So we bartered, in which he would repair this for me. He had to put new recoil on it. He got it running, and there was actually something wrong with the coil. It was grounding out and causing a no-stop. So the other issue was that the head was stripped out, this set screw. So I had to order a new head. He threw it out, which is fine. I got very lucky. I think just the head by itself was around like 60 bucks. I'll put an affiliate link in the description in case you guys ever need to order one. Okay? And it also came with this too. This would be separate. We're talking about brand new. I got these used secondhand for around 25-30 bucks. This really kept this flip on budget and through eBay. So, the tools needed, it seems like fairly simple: a ratchet, 5/32 hex, and a T20 Torx. And you're going to see where we're going to use it right here. Your Torx is here, your hex is here, and it seems like it just slides right in. Now I do have a rubber mallet, just to give this thing a couple of light taps. Now, see this little rust here? I'm thinking about stripping this down and painting it anyway, because this is going to be for resale. We're going to just slide this in, make sure it's even. I don't know if it's supposed to bottom out or not, but that's why I'm using a mallet. Just a couple of light taps. I'm going to start with the adjustment for the hex first, right here, the bottom one. We're just going to tighten this down. So it's tight. Remember, this shaft is aluminum, so you really don't want to bend it too crazy. And the next part is this set screw. It already bottomed out, so I know I'm good. Now, because it came with it, we're going to put it on with the trimmer guards. So go right here, have it nice and even, slide this back. Oops, there we go. So, start this by hand. You see this, because this is aluminum and plastic, no power tools are being used for this. No cordless electric tools, as you guys like to see on my channel. So this, we're just going to make it nice and tight by hand. I'm not using my electric tools because it's plastic, even though I can put them on a different torque setting because it is Milwaukee, but I'm going to have to pass. Now, 5SPEED Ash got this running, and he adjusted it with no load on the head because there was nothing here. So we might have to adjust the carburetor since we have a load on the weed whacker now, or on the power head. So let's just see what we got. Choke open. Time for a good time. Chris Small Engines, like to say, we're just going to give, this is an easy start, so look. You don't have to pull it with a lot of force. There we go. Something, but I gave this a good couple of taps. So let's undo this. Undo this. Let's give this a couple of taps. So now it's not catching. Must have missed its mark. This further up. Oh wow, look at that. That was way over. Let's do this all over again. screw in. See, now the set screw has some resistance. It's not all the way in. Okay. This is it. This is going to be the winner. Let's see what we got. Look at this. No adjustment needed. 5SPEED Ash, thank you. This was adjusted to perfection. Alright guys, that's all it takes is to replace the head on your trimmer. So to remove it would be the same process. And I would always have a hammer with you just for a little bit of persuasion. Alright guys, quick and easy, that's how we like it. If you guys found this video helpful, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. And don't forget, the Missus and I, we go live every Saturday, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Eastern Time. All right, guys. Later.